여러분, 안녕하세요. 저는 다니엘입니다.
Hi everyone, I'm CJ.
I am Aileen Sarmiento. Hello, I am Aileen Sarmiento. I graduated from UP Diliman, batch 2017, BA Psychology. So I am now a guidance facilitator, school counselor, and working for my master's currently in UP Diliman as well. So nasa College of Education ako ngayon, Master of Arts in Education. Akong first SA, if I remember. Tama, di ba? Ako naman ang
Yes,
first.
ikaw.
Launching yun eh.
Oo.
So, sa UP KRC. Mainly, ang ginagawa ko is helping with the audit kasi ako yung nag-aayos ng receipt. Tapos, of course, sa mga major, ano ba tawag doon? Sa mga projects. Kasi, syempre, launching year ng KRC. So, may mga conferences dito and dyan, partnerships. So, lagi din akong present doon, tumutulong as a usherette. As an usher. Pa nun eh. Mostly talaga more on collaborative work pa tayo nun, no, Ate Pam? So, right, parang talagang maraming collaboration with different offices that time. And meron din tayong outside program. Tayo na yan yung pasasa. Tama ba? Parang isa yun sa major event talaga natin kasi parang hindi lang yun within the university. No?
Yes.
So, meron pang iba. Meron din mga hinold na mga mini conferences sa UP wherein we invited different source speakers. Hindi lang sa UP ang alam ko. So, yung mga interested with Korean studies. So, mostly ganun yung naalala ko sa time ko that time. So the other volunteers are also from the org. So, may nahihikayat tayo na tumulong during that time sa mga events. So, not only me, dahil hindi naman natin kaya yun, Ate Pam, nung dalawa lang tayo during that time. So, especially with the big events already. So, I was already the executive committee. Tama, President 2016 nga pala. Yun. So, nakakaroon din tayo ng collaboration with the UP Arirang as an org. Remember, we just really do invite lang ng as onti as possible, no? Nagsimula tayo sa UP community, sino yung mga may research, even within the professor lang muna, ganyan. We also invited Korean professors. Because I remember also doing a database of contacts of professors. Yon! Naalala ko. Yan yung mga database ng mga organizations, professors, mapa-Korea man yan, mapa-Pilipinas, ganyan. So, dati talaga, parang wala siyang identity. Parang, lalo na sa akin, I mean, ako, tinatanong nila ako, ba't lagi kang wala? Kasi SE ako sa UPKI. Ano yun? Korean Research Center. Nagre-research ka doon? Hindi. Diba? Parang, that time, it's not really that focused to the name itself. Pero parang, okay, Korean Research Center, wala nga tayong database. Nung nagsimula tayo, wala rin tayo masyadong resources ng research itself. Diba? So, talaga ng feeling din. So, ngayon, I see UP Korea Research the UP KRC doing colloquiums, ganyan. So, more than the round table. So, parang recently parang nasa forum ko ng Halibers, tama ba? Yun. So, isa yun. Kasi parang okay, nasa bigger world na yung UP KRC. Kasi talagang nandun pa ako, within the UP community, within the academe lang ng mga kapitbahay, Ateneo nga, di ba? Kumbaga tumatawid lang tayo sa Ateneo, ganyan. Siguro yun nga, the biggest one I had was the COSATA. And that's also the first, no? Na parang isa sa malalaking
major event.
Major event na na-establish ng UP KRC. struggle siya for me, especially graduating ako. Pero kasi pinili ko siya eh. Kasi parang feeling ko, it's also like a training for me sa workplace. Like, mga ganyan. Kasi, kayo, sa org work, it's org work because, kumbaga, yun, I work with students, I work with my peers, ganyan. So, parang hindi talaga siya work-related for me. Parang, it's more of on a fun side. Ganyan. Pero, with UPKRC, since I'm working with adults, adults. And syempre, no, kumbaga, sineryoso ko rin naman yung pagiging SA ko doon. So, and it's really an office. No? Office work, administrative work, pupunta tayo sa ibang offices, makikipag-coordinate tayo sa ganito, magsisend ako ng letter, naghihiwalay tayo just to split the work, diba? So, we go to different offices and coordinate with different people. So, I think it helped me grow as a person, per se, kasi parang marami akong natutunan na parang, what they call this, how to deal with different types of people, with different kinds of office workers, let's say, ganyan. Kasi, especially, syempre, lalo na kapag nakaka-attend ako ng mga events na merong foreigners as well. So, number 1 is yun, magka-office kayo. Number 2 is, sana dumami pa yung project and dumami rin yung tao sa KRC. Kasi kumbaga, what I mean is, syempre, pag mas maraming project, the more na need ng manpower. So, it means that it also shows that the office is indeed doing something, contributing. And mag-organize sa mga different universities, sa mga Korean-related forums, ganyan. So, nakakatuwa yun. O, diba? No, QPKRC. Kapag ganon. Academe rin lang. Do you target also the academe audience?
Actually,